disseminated by Sister Irene. She has a full program, full 100% sponsored by the headquarters. So immediately a branch realizes new shop stewards, then she's there on the spot to put them through on basic requirement as a shop level leader. She does that in company, and what's at COTU, you know very well the department led by Sister Monica Msau, on study circle programs and so on, supported by PANAF. And besides that, we also get immense support from ITUC. ITUC has singled out even Kenya Plantation and Agricultural Workers Union on their programs where we are represented by Meshach. And this is because of our transparency and accountability. And Brother Caspar, some of the things we do at COTU, because we are an effective organ. You cannot just come with your own programs at COTU and then we say we want to take that program. Those who give us education, they give us education that we need, that is relevant to us. You cannot, because we are not the separate of donor money or what have you, we can be able to access our own funds and work out on programs that we require. Because, you know, each and every country has its own unique unique aspects as far as the world of work is concerned. And that is what we advocate even at the International Labour Organization, that let that uniqueness in each and every country be related and pegged on the system of the education that is very much prevalent and relevant to their needs. For example, in Kenya, you know, almost 99 of our people are corrupt, 99% are corrupt. So this is a very important subject to us, where we need to talk the ills and the effects on economic development that are caused by corruption. This is unique because when we were growing, we used to be told Nigeria, it was the leading country on corruption in Africa. Now Kenya has surpassed all these countries. Kenya is number one. Yeah. Because even if you listen to the way leaders talk, you can just see this is corruption when the leaders are talking. Because I've been carefully listening to people, but I want also to refer particularly to the deputy president. The deputy president, we disagreed with him because he wanted to take charge of NSSF. When he brought Kazungu Kambi to be our minister and Langa to be managing trustee, that is where we disagreed. They disbanded our NSSF board. We went to court, came back through court. That is where we disagreed. It is not that we met on a woman somewhere and then we became enemies. But when he's talking, when you listen to him, he forgets very quickly. He's like warthog, or that small animal. Kana sahau kalikuwa kanafukuzwa kanaanza tena when you listen to William Ruto. Because I can't comprehend, I can't understand him. The way I could not sometimes understand him, David, who comes my own area in 1994, when he included redundancy bill, when he was a minister for finance, a redundancy bill, finance bill, he did sneak in redundancy. We could not agree with him. Ghana raised issues, and so we also raised. I had just taken, I had not taken. That is the year I took over Kenya Plantation and Agricultural Workers Union in December. We could not agree with him. The same way I can't agree with William Ruto, because he forgets very quickly. You can, for those who can remember, when this issue of Aror and from your place at Kamoror Stewart, when it came up, he said this was only 7 billion. 7 billion is more than a budget that runs the Ministry of Labor. The entire Ministry of Labor. It is not 7 shillings. Eventually it was found it was billions. Billions and billions. And tracked to Italy, London, from London to Westlands, watu wanaenda na masanduku wanachukua hiyo pesa. Those are integrity issues. And that is why I said, nilisikia akisema, yuko watu wengine wanatembea free na wanasema sitakuwako 2022. I didn't say hata kuwako. Anataka aende kwa hiyo klipu iko na NTV, hiyo klipu iko na KTN when I was in Lamu. Mimi nilisema hivi, and I want to repeat. Watu watapiga kura sana 2022. Usubuhi. We will vote. We will go for polls to look for a president. Nilisema. Lakini jina lake halitakuwa kwa ballot. Sio yeye. Because why did I say so? Integrity issues. If we restore chapter 6 of our 2010 constitution, or we reinforce it in BBI, parties zitapatiwa to nominate people on the following issues related to integrity. Our deputy president cannot pass integrity test. This is the truth. Because his insurance company, Amaco, was insuring government ministries doing business with government. That is an integrity issue. He has not declared his wealth. That is an integrity issue. Pada napata hiyo pesa ya magunia napeleka kanisani. You must tell people, where is this money coming? Is it from taxpayers' money? Those are integrity issues. If you are doing business, why is it not this business Juma hawezi kufanya apate pesa hiyo kwa magunia? Those are integrity issues. That is why I said, if we will strictly adhere to chapter 6 of our constitution, and we reinforce it in BBI, parties zitakuwa zinaambiwa watu wa, if you are related or somebody in your office, like Sergeant Kenei, I know it is still under investigation, who died in your office. That is an integrity issue. You don't just take it to brush people, watu wananifuata, wanafanya nini. Go and write the statement to police. He says, he called him, akamuuliza mambo ya Echesa. Why can't he go to police and say, when I called Sergeant Kenei, this is what he told me? Kama, if he's doubting DCI Kinoti, he sits in the government security council or committee national. He can ask the president, this issue, I have doubts in our investigation arm of government here. Can you call me FBI? Aenda andike statement na FBI. FBI watatupatia 3 senior officers kutoka US or even 4. Apeane statement yake pale. Wapatiwe nafasi kufanya investigation parallel with Kinoti. And then they disapprove Kinoti professionally. Not him disapproving Kinoti and is not a professional investigator. Mnasikia hiyo maneno? Na yeye anaambia watu, yeye anafikiria sisi akili yetu iko matope. Yeye anaambia watu Kenya haina wajinga. Unasikia? We don't have deficit of stupid people in Kenya. Si anaambianga hivyo watu. Whom does he think we are stupid? Wakati anasema Echesa was in my office for only 23 minutes. Kinota anaenda kwa CCTV, Echesa was in that office na wale wazungu 1 full hour and 22 minutes. Whom is he fooling? He should be arrested on these contradicting statements. He's a Kenyan, he's not above the law. Na mimi naona watu wale wanapatiwa 50,000 shillings a month. Kama wakina Gachagua. He's fond of Gachagua, regardless, you don't regard. He's fond of coming up on television mentioning my name. I was in leadership before he was born. Yes. Who is regarded? His late brother, Gachagua, engineer, was my friend. Very reasonable person. This is a collected takataka who will not make it in his second term. So what I want to say is this. Let us not just make noise. Let us report. Hii kijana kupotea maisha yake sio mchezo. And there is nobody, even a shop steward. If today you came here at Tom Mboya Labour College as a branch secretary from plantation for only 10 minutes, I will be called from wherever I am. Watasema, oh, Juma from Voi, your branch secretary is at Tom Mboya Labour College. We are on roaming telephones. The deputy president wants to tell us that Echesa na wale wazungu kwa ofisi yake 1 hour and 22 minutes. Hakuna mtu alimpigia simu kumwambia wazungu wako kwa ofisi yako, and that is the second highest office on the land. Hiyo ni mambo ya wajinga hiyo. Huh? How do we believe that? Na anaenda kudanganya mzee amefiwa, familia yake na kwa matanga, and he wants us not to talk. Haya, wale waluya wanafuata yeye huko Western. Echesa alikuwa one of them. He is now disowning Echesa as a cartel. Government should investigate those cartels, how they got access into my office. Anafikiria watu ni wajinga. Who made Echesa kuwa minister? Echesa always has been singing his name in Western Kenya. He has made a lot of enemies because of him. Now he's disowning him. Hii mtu ni cartel. Wale waluya wanafuata yeye waone hiyo. He will also disown hata wale wa Kikuyu. The few Kikuyus who are following him. We are observing and we are watching. And none of us, we have said he should be eliminated. Some of us, we are prepared to write a statement. Because we have not said he should be eliminated. We want him to be there. Even when I predicted he would not be a president, that was 2014. I had not known why wakati walikuwa wanafaa nguo zinafanana na Uhuru. When I said this, I didn't know Atalia is isolated. Na yule ambaye alikuwa na pasifa na muita mganga, jana naona wako na president kwa stadium. And you know, some people should advise him. Politics, or as we live as human beings, there are changes brought by calamities. You cannot do anything about them. Unaona, kama drought, kama mvua inakuja, kama tsunami, there is very little you can do about it. What you do is to accept those changes and you go to the church to pray. Kama umepona, saa ingine zinaenda na watu. There are political changes. Me, I'm a bad loser. That is why I don't go to watch football. Unaona? Kama jana ningelienda Gori na chapa sisi, natoka huko a very sad person. Because I'm a bad, I don't like losing. Safadhali nikae nyumbani. You know? And there are political changes. Now in Kenya, we have realized political changes through handshake. There is very little we cannot change. Hata ukisema mimi nitasukuma nitakuwa tu. An intelligent person, you change quickly, you accept the changes. Changes must be there and changes must be accepted. There are some changes you can do nothing. You can't do anything. There is no way now, unless otherwise who compare we don't know. But currently you cannot separate the president and the former prime minister. They have a memorandum of understanding on their handshake. So if you are a bright and a brilliant politician, you accept those changes and you time yourself, as young as he is, for the next onslaught. Lakini kungangana, atagonga kichwa kwa wall. He will come back, very disappointed person. He will develop high blood pressure, ulcers. Macho itakuwa mekunda, hata amewacha ndevu. For nothing, you see. So there must be changes, and changes must be accepted. For example, me, I don't support him. But if he became a president, those would be changes. Changes that I can do nothing about it. And I will accept those changes. I can't say, oh, you know, hii mtu. Sasa nitasema wale walimchagua wangojewa Central Bank of Kenya ikibebwa kwa mgongo ikienda hiye. This is the truth of them. You know? Because watu wengine wanafikiria tukitembea vijua yetu iko matope hapa. Hata wanauliza when will Atwoli go home? If I'm still delivering, I'm still smart upstairs. I don't go to even on BBI. You will not find me going to State House looking for Uhuru, give me support, or me nataka pesa. I don't do that. I now have a constituency and I represent. I'm representing you people. It's better for you to have a cover documented on a national paper other than kukaa chini, alafu vitu vinapita, alafu unakuja kuambia mwami wamanya constitution ya kaduka. Mwami unajua constitution ilibadilika. Kumbe wali change. And you are from a pressure group. Trade union is a pressure group. This is what I want to tell them. It's only that I don't want to be a president. If I want to be a president, niulize nyinyi as workers. He will not be the only candidate. As we create tukisema we don't want to be president, hatuna makende. We are just men like another man. If I declared my interest today, things will not be the same again. They always say, Atwoli alijaribu kiti ya bunge. That time sikukuwa na kazi, sikukuwa na anything. I was jobless. Let me try now with your support. And for me, for you people and Kenyans, could donate to me 1 billion is in 1 minute. Nikupeana tu number, I want to be a head of state. Na ninaenda kupambana na wezi. Corrupt people. Hata mama mzee kutoka Nyeri atatuma shilingi yake moja kwangu. So they should not think I'm a coward. Let them not think I'm a coward. Now if you have evidence against me, kwenda kwa Kinoti. Because mtu hawezi kutolewa kwa ofisi yako, anaenda kunyongwa. Ni you are second in command, unasema I am in the government, we will not allow this. Tutafuata hii mpaka mwisho. Na mtu ametolewa kwa ofisi yako. Wakora wameingia kwa ofisi yako, wamemaliza saa 1:30. Now you want to apportion this blame to an agency as if you want to turn it to appear political. Answer these questions. And before this, a lot of things he said. It is not me who said. Hata kwa YouTube iko hiyo vitu anasema yeye alikuwa involved kwa kifo ya Jacob Juma. It's not me who said that. People said. We have unsolved murder ya Msandu. Now ya Kenei. We cannot continue losing Kenyans. Alafu mtu anasema no, it is not me. If you know somebody who is doing that, go and write a statement. You would have helped Kenyans. And you are number 2 in command. Come out clean. And I want to ask Echesa. Echesa must go to the press now and say if the owner of the house was not aware of him being there. Na kama alikuwa aware of him being there, Echesa in 2 weeks or 3 weeks wataua yeye. ili wa conceal information. Wadui wajue hiyo. They will kill him to conceal information. His time is now. He should go to the press and say what happened. Na akinyamaza, I'm an elder. I don't need anything. I'm an old man. Asiseme sikusema. Watachukua yeye usiku, mkiamuka yeye is not there. So that he doesn't say when he was in that office, he was in that office with whose knowledge. That is what Kenyans want to know. Shanzi son. I want to end there by official. I don't want to add more things. I want to end there by declaring this important workshop officially open.